Muscle American Cars Tribute to the 1967 GTO 500. Muscle American Cars looks at the history of the American muscle car, and provides a tribute to a bygone era that has shaped the car industry and the very fabric of a nation. The time period starting from 1964 to 1972 is termed as the muscle car era. The Shelby Mustang is a high-performance variant of the Ford Mustang, built by Ford from 1968 through 1970. Shelbys were a series of Ford Mustangs which were specially modified by Carroll Shelby's company, and sold under the name Shelby GT. From 1968 the model became the Shelby Cobra GT. American muscle car was part of the program of factory-sponsored vehicles by Ford, to compete with the Corvette, also factory-sponsored by Chevrolet, neither of which could be built for the sales price charged. In 2007, following the introduction of the fifth-generation Ford Mustang, the Shelby nameplate was revived for new high-performance versions of the Mustang, and continue Muscle American Cars.